Okay, rearranging. We're trying to make A the subject, which means you need to get rid of all the terms which don't contain A, adding and subtracting to get rid of them. So this plus B needs to go. That's the first thing you do. Yeah, m minus b equals at. Subtract b from both sides. Now you've got a times t, so you need to divide both sides by t to get a by itself. M minus b over t. Simple. Now, here a is locked up in a square root, and because there's no plus or minus going on here, all we need to do to undo the square root is square both sides. So b becomes b squared, and the square root of m over a, when you square it, becomes m over a. Slightly complicated in the next step. We need to multiply both sides by a, because you want to get rid of the fraction, obviously. So we get ab squared equals m, and then divide both sides by b squared. So we get a equals m over b squared. And you will notice that b squared and a have swapped sides in this equation. But yeah, we've solved. Very nice. Circle theorem. Ryan Babel is not an official name for the circle theorem, so nobody outside of Dulwich will know what you're talking about. The theorem that says that a diameter subtends a right angle is called a diameter subtends a right angle. So that's your reason. And the diameter subtends a right angle, so BAD is 90 degrees. You can also call it Thales' theorem. That's the Greek guy who put his name to it. Whether or not he actually invented it, I don't know. It was probably discovered in China about 1,000 years beforehand. But anyway, Thales' theorem is an acceptable name for it. CBD is the angle from C to B to D. Now, you'll notice that this is what we call subtending an angle at the circumference here. You'll notice that C and D make an angle at the center also. So C and D subtend an angle at the center, and they subtend an angle at the circumference. There's a rule that says the angle subtended at the center by an arc or by 2 points is double the angle subtended at the circumference. That's your reasoning again. Angle, so you'd say angle subtended at center equals 2 times angle at circumference. So the angle at circumference is half of this one, which means that CBD is 35 degrees. I put the degrees down twice, and